I'm Tanya and this is makeup for romantic body type. So let's get started. Romantic makeup should always look delicate, soft, and blend. The eyebrows should follow the natural shape with some sculpting to a round or curved shape. For eyeshadow, a soft pastel color, softly blend with some sparkle add. For lips, any colorful lipstick with glossy finish. For the face, a dewy skin complement your round romantic feature with glowing highlight on your forehead, under eye and chin. And then applying blush on the apple of your cheek in a round motion. Overall, romantic makeup are delicate and smoothly blend, which are opposite with dramatic makeup, which are bold with high contrast. That means if you are romantic, you should avoid dramatic makeup. For all romantics, please check out Makeup for Dramatics. But this doesn't mean that you can't wear any dramatic makeup, but you can soften the look of these dramatic makeup to match with your romantic feature. So thank you for joining me. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.